So to make the facial mask, you're going to need 2 sheets of paper towel. I'm just going to be using the Bounty Select A size. You need some aluminum foil, a sheet of paper. I'm using loose leaf paper, but you can use computer paper or any sheet of paper just lying around. A pair of scissors, some masking tape, or you can use duct tape, clear, transparent tape. Any type of tape is going to work. And something to make holes with. So you can use a hole puncher if you have one of those. One of these needlepoint tools. You can use a knife, a pen, anything that you have lying around. And 2 large rubber bands, but if you don't have large rubber bands, that's okay. You can use smaller ones too, and all you have to do is kind of loop them together like this to make a larger rubber band. So already you can see I have 3 rubber bands, and it's, you know, about the size of this large one here. So we're gonna start off with 1 sheet of Bounty, and I'm gonna take my sheet of paper and lay it right on top of this Bounty here. And I'm gonna fold it up so that it is, you know, maybe 1 centimeter or 1/2 inch or so above the bottom of the paper towel. And then take a pair of scissors and cut it to size. So we got our sheet of paper, place it right on top of the paper towel like this. Next we're going to grab some aluminum foil, and the aluminum foil is just going to help to shape the paper towel so that it, you know, sculpts to the shape of our faces. So I'm going to take some of that. I'm going to lay it right on top, fold it in half again, and maybe even once more. So now we have a strip of aluminum foil. I'm going to place it right on top of our loose leaf paper and then fold down the sides like this. So now let's do the same thing to the bottom. So I'm going to take some more aluminum foil. Fold it in half again, in half once more. Place it down, fold the sides over, so now I'm going to take a little bit of my tape and I'm going to tape the aluminum foil down. So now what you want to do is you want to find the center point. It doesn't have to be exactly the center, but you're going to fold it up and you're going to go a little bit above the center line like that. And then you're going to leave a little bit of space here, so maybe 1/2 inch, and then you're going to fold it right back down. So now from the side, you can see we have this little zigzag Z fold going on here, the accordion fold. So now we're going to grab our other sheet of Bounty, place it on the table, and then take this first one and flip it around. Now let's fold down the sides of this one like this, and then fold the bottom up. Take some masking tape, tape it down, and do the same thing on this side. So this is the center where your nose is going to go, right? Just gonna fold it back and do a little zigzag like this. So see the little Z here? Fold it back. We're making a little trapezoid shape. And you might want to put it up towards your face to make sure it fits. And once it fits, and you know it fits well, You're just gonna tape that down as well. And we're gonna do the same thing to the bottom. So we're gonna flip it around, and this is gonna be for your chin. So you're gonna fold this back like this and do a little pinch. Do the same thing here, fold it back and do a pinch. So now we have that trapezoid shape that we're looking for. And tape it down. So now all that's left to do is to punch holes on the side and add our rubber band. So you can fold this back like this a little more if you want some more reinforcement. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to fold it down here, tape it down again. And I do know this uses a lot of tape, but you know, I'm just using a lot more than needed really, but you can use less. Tape it down like that. Fold this down over like this, and then tape this down. And now we're going to take our hole puncher or knife or pen or whatever you have lying around, and we're going to punch a hole right at the top here, and then one right here. So now we have our 4 holes. Now we're going to grab our rubber band. I'm going to loop it through. Go like that. And of course, you know, you're gonna put this against your face and measure how long you need the rubber band to be, but I know that I just need 2 of these right here. And then you're gonna tie these 2 together. And again, if you don't have long rubber bands, that's okay. You can use shorter ones and kind of make it to the size that you want. And now your facial mask is done.